Hi children, today let's work out, enjoy and work word problems in subtraction. You like to do subtraction? Yes. But here this is word problems in subtraction. Let's read together, enjoy working out the word problems in subtraction. Let's look at our first word problem. Shall we? Here we are. Look. Tom bought cloth measuring 25 meters. He used 16 meters for stitching clothes. How much cloth is left with him? So Tom goes to the market and he buys some cloth. Then he uses some material for stitching. Now the question asked is how much is of the cloth left over? So they can use for something else. Yes? So we have to, what do we have to do? He bought so much and he uses, so leftover means minus. He had so much, he uses so much. So what is left over will be minus. It's a subtraction problem. Now, the total length of the cloth Tom bought equal to 28 meters. So we write down 28 meters. That's the total length of the cloth Tom bought from the shop. Now, the length of the cloth used for stitching, the length of the cloth, the amount used, the total length of the cloth used for stitching. He used 16 meters. So minus 16. The total is 28 and what he used is 16. So minus 16 meters. Now when you subtract 28 minus 16, that answer will be the length of the cloth left with him. Shall we do the subtraction? Yes. Now, we have here ones and tens. 8 minus 6. 8 take away 6. Yes? 6 after 6? 7, 8. How much is that? 8 minus 6 is 2. So we write down 2 here. We have here 2 in the tens place. 2 take away 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 itself. Good. So we write 2 minus 1 is 1. So we write here in the tens place 1. What is the number we get now? 2 minus 1 is 1. 12. Now question, how much cloth is left with him? Tom has 12 meters of cloth left with him. That is the answer. He is left with 12 meters of cloth. From the 28, he's got 12 left with him. Did you enjoy the word problem in subtraction? Let's take another. Look, let's read. This time it's a plastic sheet. Yes? Daddy buys plastic sheet for different purpose? Yes. Now, a plastic sheet is 98 centimeters. So it's long, 98 centimeter long plastic sheet Daddy bought. If 65 centimeter piece is cut off. So from the 98, 65 is cut off. What is the length of the plastic sheet left? So you're watching Daddy doing some work. So we have 98 big length, a piece is cut off. That means from the big piece, one piece is cut off. From this number, take away this, the leftover. What kind of sum? Subtraction sum. Very good. So the total length of the plastic sheet equal to 98 centimeters. So we write it down here. The length of the plastic sheet cut off, 65 centimeters minus 65 centimeters. From the total length, we cut off 65. So minus 65. Now that will give you the answer the length of the plastic sheet left. Let's do the subtraction. 98 centimeters minus 65. 8 minus 5. 8 take away 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 take away 5 gives you 3. Here you have 9 minus 6. 9 take away 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 9 take away 6 is 3. So you have 33 centimeters of the plastic sheet left. So your answer is, what is the length of the plastic sheet left? The length of the plastic sheet left over is 33 centimeters. That's your answer. The length of the plastic sheet left is 33 centimeters. Did you enjoy, children? Let's take another word problem. Let's read together. Here, Veena has 85 centimeter length of a rope. Veena has a 85 centimeter length of a rope. Now, Tom was given, Veena gives Tom 35 centimeter length of that rope. So Veena has 85 length of a rope and she calls Tom and gives away 35 centimeter length. So she cuts off that much. Now the question is, what is the length of the rope left with Veena? What kind? She has 85. She gives away Tom some. That means minus. It's a subtraction problem. Good. Total length of the rope Veena has 85 centimeter. The length of the rope given to Tom minus 35 centimeters. Minus 35 centimeters. When we subtract, we'll get the rope left over with Veena. Let's do the subtraction. 5 minus 5. 5 take away 5. You get 0. 5 take away 5 is 0. So we write down 0 here. 8 minus 3. 8 take away 3. After 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. So we write down 5 here. What is the length of the rope left with Veena? Length of the rope left with Veena is 50 centimeter. That is the answer. So your answer is, she left with 50 centimeters of rope. 50 centimeters of rope she is left with. 85 given away, 35 to Tom. She is left with 50 centimeters of the rope. Good. Let's look at another new word problem. Look. Let's read together. Varun bought 2 meter, 35 centimeter of a cloth. He bought a big, huge length of a cloth. That is 2 meters and 35 centimeters. Now, the tailor used 2 meters and 15 centimeters to stitch a shirt. A tailor. So he gives to the tailor and the tailor uses 2 meters, 15 centimeters to make a lovely shirt for Varun. Question. What is the length of the cloth left? What is the length of the cloth left? So the total length after stitching a shirt, we have to find out how much. So total minus the amount used for stitching will give you the amount, the length of the cloth left over. Let's begin. The total length of the cloth Varun bought, 2 meters, 35 centimeters. You got a meter column? Centimeter column. 2 meters 35 centimeters. The length of the cloth tailor used for stitching a shirt is 2 meters minus 2 meters 15 centimeters. So we arrange them correctly. Now when we subtract 2 meters 35 centimeters minus 2 meters 15 will give us the answer, the length of the cloth left over and given to Varun. Okay, let's go to the centimeter. 5 take away 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we write down 0 here. 3 minus 1. 3 take away 1 gives you 2. So we write down 2. In the meter side, you have 2 minus 2. That is 0. 2 take away 2 is 0. So we are left with, Varun is left with 20 centimeters of cloth after stitching a shirt. What is the length of the cloth left? The length of the cloth left is 20 centimeters. That is your answer. The length of the cloth left equal to 20 centimeters, and that's given to Varun. Tailor gives it to Varun. Did you enjoy the word problem? Let's look at another word problem. Let's read together. Kavya bought a reel of thread. You've seen reel of thread? Roll, yes. Kavya bought a reel of thread measuring 585 centimeters. All that 585 centimeters rolled into a reel. She used 372 centimeters for stitching clothes. That means Kavya is a tailor. She can stitch. Now the question is, how much thread is left with her now? After having used 372, what is left with her? So from the reel of thread, you minus what she used, will give you the length of the thread left with her. So it's a subtraction problem. Let's begin. The length of the reel of thread equal to 585 centimeters. The length of the thread used for stitching clothes, 372. The total length of the thread used for stitching minus 372. Now, when you minus, what is left will be the length of the thread left over with Kavya. Let's do the subtraction together. Now, we have ones, tens and hundreds. 585 centimeters minus 372 centimeters. Let's go to the ones place. 5 take away 2. 5 minus 2. 1, 2. 5 minus 2 gives you 3. Good. So we write down 3. Here in the tens place, 8 minus 7. 8 take away 7 gives you 1. Good. So we write down 1 here. Here you have 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 take away 3 gives you 2. So we write down 2 here. Length of the thread left with Kavya now is 213 centimeters. So what's your answer? She's left with 213 centimeters of thread. Did you enjoy the word problem? Good.